In that selection screens, I discussed with one is parameters, program, parameters. Another one is select options. Select option. Here, parameters I explained means if you want to use it as a single input selection screen, we can use parameters. If you want multiple range, okay, multiple range, we can use it as select options. You can use customer as a selection screen, customer low value and customer high value. This is range. This is parameters. This is select options. Okay, select options. To specify this one, okay, we can use this one. But here, some more like syntaxes are there. We can use it. Like sometimes your client will ask, okay, for same syntax. Just for same syntax, I'm adding extra points. Okay, extra points. Okay, selection screen parameters. Selection screen options like for this one, if you want to maintain like this is mandatory, like this field. If you want to maintain mandatory, like mandatory means tick mark, compulsory. Let me execute first output, then you will understand one code. Last program only I will execute it. Then I can write it code, extra code today. Okay, go to SC38. Z select options. Last class I have written here. See, this is a program, same program. I'm not going to change any program, last program. For that program only I can add it. Here, let's see. First, execute the output. Okay, here, see, is there any mandatory here? This field, this customer is not mandatory. Means why? If you execute directly, data is coming. Means that is only meaning no mandatory. It is not mandatory screen. But your client will ask, okay, you have to maintain this is mandatory. Mandatory means if something if you enter, then only it will execute it. Then only it will execute. Otherwise, it won't execute it. How to specify select options or parameters, anything. Okay, how to specify mandatory field. Okay, mandatory option for selection screens. Now, first option, yeah, under selection screens only syntax, selection screen syntaxes. Selection screen syntax. Okay, under selection screen syntax, okay, first, this is the, you can call obligatory, you can call, okay, obligatory. First syntax, obligatory. What is the use of obligatory? Obligatory means it is mandatory. It is mandatory. Mandatory for selections screens. Okay, either parameters, either select options. Wherever you want, you can use it. Now I am using for parameter select options. You can use for obligatory. You can use for select options also. Let's see. This is a syntax. Okay, this is a syntax. Obligatory listening. Only one small this line. If you write it, it automatically it will be mandatory for selection screen. Let's see how to write it. This is the first option. This is the first option. Obligatory. Okay, obligatory means mandatory. Let's see. Now, this is not mandatory. You know. Okay, why? It is executed directly. Now I am going to specify. Okay. If you want, you can write down program separately. Otherwise, you can write down separately one more program, no problem. For syntax purpose, you can write down all the separate program. Only this selection screens. Okay, one. Okay, go to SC38 right now. Separator. obligatory syntax. Okay, obligatory syntax. Separately I am writing. I'll execute it in that program also. Both. Go to SE38. Enter the program name. Click on the create button. Okay. Okay, selection screen. Selection screen. No syntax. Okay, obligatory. Obligatory. Then executable program. Remaining not mandatory. No need to maintain. Directly can go to. Only executable is mandatory. Then click on save. Package I told you, explain already. Save it. Request, if you want to save it, you can save it request. Otherwise you can create new request. Okay, new request. Okay, now here we can write here. Yeah, save. By using this one, first see the output here. Only this code I have written. If I see this one, there is no mandatory, no tick mark here. No tick mark. Here tick mark is not there, here tick mark. Okay, here only tick mark should come. But no tick mark here. Okay. Now to write that particular obligate, here we will write here obligatory. Here only one small is syntax. That's it. Now if you go to here obligatory, let's see, you will see the difference. Obligatory means immediately here one tick mark will come. Okay, tick mark. The same obligatory if you write it running program, because I did not write all the program here. I did not write all the program. Okay, if you want you can copy paste that same program, no problem. Same program. The remaining program it won't change. Anywhere it won't change. Only this line only. That's it. Remaining program copy paste only. Save. Check the errors. Activate. See here. Before you can see here this program. This program if I execute directly it is executing. But this program if I execute it won't execute. See here. Fill the required entries. Why? As here this is mandatory. Okay, this is mandatory. You have to maintain this particular field information. Okay, then if I enter some value 1 and 10, execute here. Now data is okay. Now this selection screen obligatory data. Okay, this is we are calling selection screen. Okay, obligatory. Okay, obligatory. Okay, if you want this type of syntaxes, very simple. No need to remember all the codes. Okay, all the codes. SAP has given help option. Help option. Okay, if you remember the only some syntaxes, select options, then F1. Or if you remember the obligatory, press F1. System will show automatically some syntaxes related. You can see here. Okay, selections. Okay, here it is there. Okay, you just go to select options. Directly can go there. It will show all the selection screens, syntaxes. Okay, let me show. Okay, this is the help. Okay, this is you can see the name is here screen options. Okay, that is the main heading is selection screen options. Then I have written this one. First one I discussed now. For obligatory I discussed now. Okay, that is on. Okay, this is the main heading, or you can use this heading also. Okay, selection screen options. Select options. Okay, screen. Okay, screen options or screen selection screen syntaxes. This is heading. Under this heading, first I discussed obligatory. Like next one, second one it is there. Okay, second one. Let's see. 5 options are there. One by one I will discuss. Okay, no display is here. Okay, no display. Okay, no display means this is second one. Okay, second option. Select options. This all Okay, if it is a requirement, it is there, then we can use it in the project. Otherwise, not required compulsory. Okay, no display. If you want to use it, no display, you won't use it. That is not mandatory. That we never touch no display. But still, SAP has given no display option. No display means, let's see. Now we declared here no output here. Where is output? Okay, we'll display like this output here. Want to some values will enter. Okay, output is coming. Now here no display means selection screen it won't display. Okay, it won't display the okay here. Let me remove the obligatory no display. Okay, no display. Separately can write no, only this syntax is enough. Okay, to practice. Okay, no display means here it won't display selection screen. You can see direct output. Okay, direct out. In selection screen it won't come. Even if you write it select screen, if you write it where condition, everything will work. But the screen it won't display. Okay, no display means it won't display the selection screen. This is a syntax for no display. If you want, you can write them separately. No display syntax. Okay, no display. The same syntax for obligatory. Okay, same syntax for obligatory. Okay, that is obligatory. Okay, obligatory. This is an full stop. Okay, like that you can. There is obligatory. Okay, this is a syntax for obligatory. Syntax. Okay, like that. Okay, here we won't means selection screen if it is there, but by using this syntax it won't display. Okay, it won't display. But no usage in real time. Still SAP has given this syntax. Okay, no usage. Next, this is used. Okay, this is also this all five we can use it. Four. So only this no display, no use, because without selection screen not possible to use. Okay, but SAP is one option they had given. Okay, an option. Next, visible length. Visible length means let me show. First to see the output. Okay, customer is here. Customer is here. But your customer is actually 10 digit length. This is selection screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this 10 is a visible length actually. But now this screen should visible only small. Okay, small. So let me write it some country. I will write it. One more selection screen. I am writing country. Sorry. Select option or parameters. Country like one more screen I am writing like KNA1 hyphen KUNR. I written like this. I'll activate here, execute here. Here country has come. Country, okay, that country field also. But country field why it is length? Sorry, country field is land one. Okay, land one, not KNR. Now what is the okay, observe the output. What is the country field? You can see 1, 2, 3. Correct? 3 screen length. But you have long length here. Long length. Okay, I don't want to display like this long length, 10 length. I have to display visible length 3 itself. Let's see. Okay, then I will write it here. Visible length. Okay, visible length. 3 I will write it. Same screen. If it okay, it will show here. Okay, same screen. Okay, then I reduce the size. Okay, I reduce the size. Same. This one is same. This one is same. Visible. But in database it will allow all. Say 1, 1000 I will enter, 1000 I enter, 10,000 I will enter, 10,000 allowed, all allowed here. It is allowing all 8 characters, but length, visible length, it will show very less. Okay, very less. This is also useful for designing the selection screens purpose. We can use it. I think you understood this point. Okay, if you have not understood, I will explain. Satish, Santosh, Satish, and Subhash, Amit.
Yes.
Understood this point? Okay, very easy. Visible length means if we have some other field is there like 3 length, but it's the same length if I want some other field also, then if I write it visible length, system will show the same length only. If you don't want to, just remove that visible length. This is a syntax for visible length. Okay, syntax for visible length. Okay. Okay, visible length. Okay, visible length. Okay, these two I have written for your understanding purpose. You just write them better too. Visible. This is visible in syntax. This will try the syntax. Output program same visible length. You can now if I enter 1000 to here, values I can enter whatever values I want. Still done. This hanged I think. Okay, let me come back. Let me execute once again. Hey, F8. Say the screen. Okay, now if I enter here 1000, 1000, 1010, 1010. Okay, now I enter 1000 to 1010. It only it will work. I mean selection screen it will work. Visible length or okay whatever it is. It does work. Visible. Okay, that is the options for selection screen. Now it is also our third one. Okay, next fourth options. All of the okay, next fourth option. Go to SC38. Okay, visible length you can press here once again. Okay, next no extension, fourth option. Okay, no extension. Here no extension means let me show. Okay. Okay, next option is no extension. Okay, instead of visible length, I am just changing that no extension. No extension. Extension means if you see the output first, it will show the same output only, same length only. But here we have an option was there before. Okay, let me show. Just to see the output. Here we have multiple selection. Okay, means multiple selection means like ranges if you want. If you want to exclude the ranges, exclude the values, then this option is coming. This option is coming, meaning this particular multiple selection is coming. If I don't want multiple selection, only one screen only I need, then we can write here no extension. Oh, sorry. No hyphen extension. Then if you write no extension, then F8, okay, there is no extension. Okay, there is no extension. Okay, this is the way to declare this one. Okay, no extension, multiple ranges it won't display. Only customer having only one option. Okay, he can enter only range. That's it. Okay, we can declare like this type of declaration also. That declaration we can call no extension. This only this syntax is enough. Okay, to write it. This is we are calling no extension. Okay, no extension. Okay, no extension. No extension. Okay, you can declare like this. Okay, next. Okay, next. Fifth point, last point. This is no intervals. Okay, no intervals. This is very useful and interview question also. What is the use of no intervals? Okay, user can specify only single comparisons in the first row selection table. So intervals can still be selected in the dialog box for multiple. Meaning, if you see here parameters, if you declare only this one only you will display parameters. But client means your interviewer will ask, you have to declare select options program, but your output should show only it look like a select options only. How to declare? Meaning, okay, how to declare select options as a parameter? That is the entry question. Okay, select options, if you declare range will come, range like this. But if you declare this code, whatever code, like what code I told you, okay, no intervals. If you declare no intervals option, this program should show only only this value, only this one. That is we can call no intervals. Okay, no intervals. Very simple only. Let me write it. I will write it. Okay, let me comment this too. At least for the next. Okay, here no intervals. So, no intervals. If you observe now here, no intervals. Display why? Okay, KNU1 is declared. Okay, I declared 2 times tables. Check the errors. Activate. Then execute here. See here, this is the exactly customer. See here, parameter. I did not declare parameter here. Observe now here. Here this is my select options only. My declaration is select options. Okay, if you want, I will uncomment this one. See parameters means this is. See country is look like a country only. Country it is coming exactly. So, but for country this option is not there. For country, why? That is single value. That is single value. But here customer is do select options, but it is acting as a parameter. It is acting as a parameter because of no intervals. Okay. Now if you write this no intervals option, here we can reduce the range. Let me first, without this one you can see this is no intervals. No intervals. Let me show. So this is exact output. Means your client is asking, I don't want this range. Okay, display this select options also. Display the select options as a one single screen. A single screen. So that's why we are writing here no intervals. That's it. Continue. Now no intervals is there. Okay, no intervals. Okay, this is a syntax for the no intervals. Same syntax I am writing here. Okay, no intervals. these are the main important points under the select options. Even if you want no extra, no intervals and no extensions, if you use both. See here, if you have any doubt, even you can copy directly from this screen only. You can see here, I can copy this one. I can copy this one. You can try the same syntax only for your understand. Okay, let me. It's not copying. I think. I'll copy. Okay. For another program, I'll write it. Another program. SC38. Create button. Select options. Executable program. Continue. 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 Now, if I try the same programs here, this is standard code. They are given under help document. This is help document. Just I copied this help document. Continue. Now, if I test here, what is happening? Carried. Carried. Why? Means it is giving that particular carried options. No extension, no intervals. No extension, no intervals. Meaning here one multiple arrow is not coming. Did you observe now? Now I'll see the no extension. I'll remove. Let's see. Now we will get it. Arrow. Okay, this one. If I remove that one also, that is same as select options. It is based on how you are going to write it. This is select options. Your client is asking, I don't want range. It is look like only parameter options. Write down means you just write down the no intervals. Okay, no intervals. That's it. Okay, no, sorry, full stop is there. Okay, no intervals. Then I can display no intervals. Here I don't want this extension also. Then you can write down space no hyphen extension. That's it. Then if you write it like this, okay, extension also it is a pure parameter options. Okay, pure parameter options. Okay, how to use your select options? Okay, write down this syntax. How to? Okay, this is a one perfect entry question. Okay, they will ask question compulsory. How to use? How to use? How to use select options as parameters options, or how to declare. Okay, how to declare. Okay, for that we will write here this code. This is any code, standard code or customized code. Okay, any code you can write down. I mean, this is SAP delivered code, but we will write it for the same code I have written here. Here down I have written here. This is a no interval. If you add here one more option. No extension, no intervals. Okay, both. This is about the all the syntaxes for the selection screen options. Selection screen select options. The screen options. Next. Any doubt for you? Any Subhash? Any doubt on the Subhash? Any doubt? Now I will explain the another level of the program. Okay, another level of the program. Here we already declared this code. Let's see. Amit, is any doubt? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Satish? Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is just a normal output program. Country also I don't want. Country also, okay, no. Now here, okay, I'm going to explain some same screen options only. Let me show you. Okay, here we have sub objects. The next side heading is ABAP editor sub objects. Okay, this is also very important questions, which we can use frequently Variant we can use frequently for background jobs purpose. Another one very important description, if you want to change any program descriptions, you can change attributes. And the next one is text element is reusable. Okay, very important related points. Here 3 points are important. Source code, anyhow you will use source code, but variants we can use important, attributes we can use important, and text element. Documentation is very easy, just only describing like document related information we can. One by one I will explain. First, question wise you can write down what are the sub objects. What are the sub objects under editor, ABAP editor. Five sub objects. Okay, five sub objects. One is source code, variant. Okay, source code and variant. Source code, variants, attributes, documentation, and text elements. Okay, text elements. Text element. Okay, first source code means very simple definition. Source code is nothing but a ABAP programming code. Okay, ABAP code. Okay. Source code is nothing but a ABAP code. Okay, ABAP code. Okay. You have seen so many times source code means because we have written different programs. Source code means this is only directly it will go to source code. Here we will write the code. That code we are calling ABAP code. Nothing else. Okay, source code. Next, variant. This is important. Okay, variant means let's see. First, if you execute the output here for this program select options, here it is displayed immediately selection screen. Here users should enter some data like something like 1 to 10 if it is. If 1 to 10 data is there or not, user does not know. Okay, you don't know how to these values. Just randomly you will enter, or otherwise you will browse the data and you can select those particular data. You will browse the data F4. Then you will click the enter. Then it will display here some which customer number to which customer number is there. You can choose that one data and you can display that. That is the next scenario. But why I don't want to go like this fetching and then under that values are there. I don't want to check. Here one after execute button, one icon I will create it. That icon we are calling variant icon. If I select that icon, okay, it will pop up the variant. Then which variant you want to use it, that variant I can use it. Here variant is nothing but a default selection screen values creation. Okay, means we can create default selection screen values. After okay displaying the output, you will understand the variant. First definition wise you can write down. Okay, definition means to display the sorry to specify, not to display, to specify default values for selection screens, default value for user selection screens. Okay, default values for user selection screens we can use. Okay, variant. Okay, can use. Okay, variant creation now. Okay, variant. Okay, click on variant. Okay, 1 second. Okay, variant creation. Okay. You have to select the program should be there. Select options program. Okay, that program should be here. Then select the variants. Click on change button. All are very important. All each one is interview related points. Basic or experienced also. Okay, variant Z Okay, variant. Any name you can specify. Okay, any name. Z variant. But start with the Z compulsory. Z variant. Click on variant. I'll repeat the same step. Whatever program you created already, same program you can use it. Otherwise, you can write it your own once again. Select options program. Same last program only. For that program only, I am explaining all these syntaxes. Okay, for this program, you have to select the variant. Then click on change button, not create. Okay, change button. Then here we have the variant name. Enter the variant name. Start with the Z. Okay, if it is already created variant, you can click display. If it is not created, it won't display. Okay, sure, variant is not existed. Then click on create. Okay, it is asking for individual selection screen, for all selection screen, for all selection screen. But it won't ask like that. Maybe why it is asking. Okay, just click continue directly. That's it. Okay, you can enter the sample values. Whatever data you want, you can enter that data. I am creating one selection screen. 1000 to 2000 I enter manually here. Then you can maintain the why you are creating this one. You can maintain the attributes. Description you can maintain here. You click on attributes. Here maintain. Okay, default values 1000. Default values 1000 to 2000. Okay, default values 1000 to 2000. That's it. Save it. Okay, save it. Click on save. Click on save. Okay, then back button. Then go to directly source code. Okay, testing. I am going to test now. Okay, how to test. Okay, directly select the source code. Click on execute here. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Then immediately you can see here no values has come. I created variant, but no values are there. But one icon has come. After execute, one icon has come. That is variant icon. I told you variant icon you will get it. Okay, this is only variant icon. I got it. Okay. Now if I select this variant icon, it will pop up this value. Okay, so here default variant name it has come. Sorry, the variant name. Double click on this variant. Immediately it will pop up the values. Like that, multiple screens also you can insert it. Then if I execute this values only, it will print. Okay, this values only will print. Meaning for users will use some input values. Okay, input values. Sometimes while running with different programs like country-wise payroll programs. Let me show one small example, live example. PC00 underscore M40 underscore CEDT. This is a payroll for India. Okay, payroll for India. Okay, for Indian employees, they don't know how to choose which payroll area. For that, they will create some variant name. Okay, then I don't know which values I have to enter. If I enter any value like this BB, then it won't execute it. Okay, that value is here. If I execute here BB, okay, BB is not there. Then which value I have to enter? I don't know. A I will enter. A also if it is not there, then otherwise I have to find out this one. Okay, each and every value. Means to find out all the values here, not there. No number is not there. Then instead of that, I can select the view payslip, India payslip. Directly it will populate some values here. Now I can execute it. If I execute here, then immediately payslip will be generated. Payslip, but payslip does not have the data. Maybe because of somebody is entered with wrong entry. Okay, IN01 if I enter IN01. Let me check here. So data is data is payslip. This is the highest complicated report in total HR ABAP. Okay, this is the highest complicated report. Okay, 2 months program this is. Okay. Okay, this type of programs for user selection screen. See, immediately I don't know values, but I selected values by selecting any one of the variant. But he created 3, I created for you 1. You can try for 3, not only 3. You can create 10 also. Okay, that variant is very useful for the end users. Okay, end users. That's what we can use this variant options. Where I have, I came back. Okay, come back. SE38. Okay, this is a way to execute that one. Okay, if I want another variant, okay, another variant also you can create. But okay, another way is second way. Okay, very simple. Directly you can enter from this screen only. You can see here 2000 to 3000. You can directly enter here and click on save. Directly it will go to the variant name only. Z variant 1. Okay, values between 2000 to 3000. Directly save it. Now this variant also is saved now. Click back button, source code, execute. How many variant it will show now here? Say 2 variant. Okay, one is procedure and directly another one is for the end users itself, directly you can create it. See now this, if I want to select this one, only these values will come. See here. Okay, you can create 2 ways. One way is directly you have to select the variant option here and you can click the change button. You can enter here your own name and click on create button, enter. That is first way. Second way, okay, very simple. Execute here. You can enter whatever the values you want. Enter. Save it. Give your own name, any name you can give. Give your description. Okay, 1 to 10. Save it. Click back button. Execute. If you see here, 3 variants are there. Okay, like that you can create for your total project purpose. You can create n number of variants. Okay, n number of variants. Now if you select here, only this only I can execute it. Okay. Clear? This is about a variant. Next. Okay. Next, third point. Okay, third point. Okay, attributes option. Okay, attributes. Here attributes is nothing but okay, title and type of the program. You can see here, attributes means title of the program, type of program, status of program, application of the program. Okay, just only definition is important, the remaining not required that much. Okay, only definition, because okay, rarely we'll change this attributes. Attribute means this description rarely we can change it. Okay, attributes means just title, type, status of the program. Okay, save it. That's it. Next, fourth option. Okay, documentation. Here documentation is nothing but just about this program. Like select options, what is exactly what data you are going to fetch. That related information we will give to the end users. Okay, like this is only documentation. So this is one help. Now if I want to read any help about this SE38, I can click the one documentation. It will show one. Okay, it is not showing. It is showing some other. Okay, okay, help. Okay, directly if you enter any keyword. Okay, any keyword. Okay, like display. That is documentation. If it only display related, say this is documentation. Means in SAP, we will create our own okay, documentation, and we will deliver to the users. Okay, how to deliver how to create it, how to deliver. Okay, both I will show it. Go to documentation, click on change button. Okay, not creative, change only you can do. Click close, allow. It will show one Microsoft Word. Okay, in SAP it will show one Microsoft Word. You can just remove this one, give your own. Okay, give your own. Okay, select options. Select options. Okay, report with customer master data. Customer master data with the variants option. It is a report description I enter. Whatever data you want, you can enter your own description here. Or client will send one document. Okay, in that document, okay, some description will be there. Just copy the description and paste it here. Okay, paste it here directly. Click on save. Click on save. Now you can see here. Okay, clearly back button. Okay, back button. Okay, click on back. So once if you click back button, then you can see in the source code. Okay, you can see the source code data. Yes. Now if you execute your source code, okay, you can see here one option has come, one information option. Okay, information. Okay, this information is nothing but a document, help document. Okay, this help. Okay, now it is created. Okay, now it is created. Okay, document. Okay. This is about the information. Okay, like our own document related information we can create in SAP. After variant it will create I. After variant it will create I. Okay. Any doubt? Okay, now next. Okay, next. Final step. Here this is we are calling text element. Okay, text element. Okay, text element. Here text element means say you have your customer is there. Your client will ask, I need customer number. A customer number means in the source code, if I increase the length of the selection screen, customer number if I write, sorry, if I check here, it will show that one one error. Okay, customer number here maximum up to 8 characteristics long only. But I declared here, okay, if you observe now here, maximum, okay, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 characteristics I declare. But your okay, maximum length is select options, it is giving maximum 8 only. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we have reduced, then only 8 will come. Now 8 only then. Then this is correct. Fine. But output is asking compulsory. Hello? Yeah. Okay. But output is asking compulsory customer number. For that we can use here this select options. Okay, text element. Okay, text element means we can specify the screen length, extra length. If you want to maintain, you can maintain the text related information. Okay, extension. Okay. Okay, write down the procedure. How to create text elements. Okay, how to create the text element. Click on change button. Here we have an option is the selection text is there. You can see here customer is here. Okay, now I don't want this customer. I need here customer number. I need. Just enter the customer number, whatever length you want. Okay, how much length you want, you can enter. Even space also you can allow. Execute. That's it. Okay, click on execute. Now activate here. Active. come back. This should be compulsory active. I changed only length. If you want n, okay, n number length, you can make it.
Okay.
Click back button. Then go to source code. Okay, then go to source code. Click on execute here. Let's see here. Customer number has come. Before customer only was there. Before customer. Okay, this is you can call customer. This is a way to maintain the all the source objects with source objects. Any doubt, Satish?
No, sir.
Yeah, Amit.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, now, okay, like this, one block I have to create it. One block. Okay, like for screen, okay, how to create the block. One block means here it is plain output is coming. Okay, I need one block for this block. How to create the block? Next side heading. Okay, today I will give you that block. Then I'll stop it today. Tomorrow we'll okay go for extension. Extension means reusable. Okay, reusable commands. But today, okay, anyhow, it is already over. But I will give only one small syntax I will give today, and tomorrow I will extend the class time. Okay, I will extend the class time. Now today I will give one more syntax. Name is this is okay. This is selection screen block. We can call selection screen. Okay, block. How to display the selection screen block? Okay. Means selection screen block means like you have the customer region. For this customer, one line outline red mark or black mark, that is we are calling block. Okay, like that type of block we can create it. Okay, for this screen, this is actually normal output. Okay, this is a normal. If it is block, this is normal output. For this, we are creating one block like this. In this block also, we can give one name. Okay, report. Okay, one name also you can give one report. This is a block description, block title. Okay, block title. Under that one screen it will come. If you want range also, you can display the range also. Okay, multiple range. Okay, any parameter also can display or select option. But one block with a description. How to display this block with a description? Okay. Okay, go to selection screen block. Okay, BLOC block syntax. Write down same program. Go to SC38. Okay, select options or any name. Okay, select block. Click on create button. Selection screen block description. Block program. Okay, click on the type of the program. Then click on save. Here we will write the code. Okay. Tables. KNA1. Select options. Customer for KNA1. This is general coding which will, but here I have to start here selection screen. Selection screen begin of block. Press F1. Okay, selection screen begin of block is not help, it should come directly. begin of block. Just copy paste directly. You can if you want, you can copy paste directly. Otherwise, you can write down your own. Begin of block with the frame title text 001. This is a syntax. No need to remember any syntax. Even if you remember the only one line, if you press F1, then it will show that okay, sum this one. Then same you can copy paste here on this. Here I can directly copy this same data. Again, what is the name of the block? I will give block name is B1. Same block name and I will give here B1. That's it. Now see, block is created. And the block B1. I think 2 times it is created. Okay, let's see. Now execute here. So one block will be created here. See, one block. This is block. But this block one text also I need. That's what I declared here. Okay, selection screen begin of block. The frame name is B1. This is B1. Okay. Now in this one I have created title text 001. But I did not give text still. If I double click text here, if you click yes, okay, here text will come. This is Gangadhar program. Activate. Okay, activate. Okay, selection text here only is there. Selection text. Before we discuss this selection text. Selection text means you can add your own description. Your own description for screen. Then if you observe now output here Gangadhar program title one block with your own description. This is the way to declare selection screen block programs. Okay, selection screen block programs. If you want to add one more field in this block only, you just add n number of fields. Not only this one, you can add parameters. You can add country. You can add country. You can add it country like KN1-KNR. Okay, you can add it city. You can add it parameters. City type. Okay, city like KN1-what01. You can add it n numbers. Okay, n numbers you can add it. All it will display under same block. Okay, same block. The country city. See, this is the field. This is under block only. It will increase. Okay. To specify this type of block, we can use here this selection screen begin of block. Okay, here block name any name you can give. Not only be you can give any name. The same name should be here. Same name should be here. Then only it will work. Okay. Then output is same. Okay, output is same. Text, you can create your own text, any text, not only this program. This is sample program. Okay, activate. Okay, any program you can execute. Come back. Activate. See sample. Okay, like this. This program we can come. Selection screen begin a block. Okay, selection screen begin a block. Okay. Okay, try to practice the same sessions today because almost all are each point is very important point for the interview purpose. Okay, tomorrow class reusable I will start it. Okay, tomorrow reusable concepts. Okay, under reusable almost three programs I will discuss, four programs. Under 4 tomorrow 3 programs I will complete it. The next one okay we'll go for on Friday. Okay, tomorrow is Thursday I think. Okay, then by this week reusable everything I will complete it. Okay, reusable programs. Okay, 4 or 5 programs I will give. Okay, for practice because these programs are very usable. Okay, very frequently we can use it in programs. Includes function modules. Okay, these are all. That's what. Tomorrow onwards, this all 2 classes will be very important. Okay, based on this only our ABAP we can easily understand the next scenarios. You can easily understand this one. Okay. Any doubt here up to this point, Satish, Amit, Subhash? Okay. Okay, do one thing. You just write down separate one programs like this, one small program, and practice each and every syntax. If it is not coming, then write down separately that point syntax only. I will write it. I will show it clearly. Okay, in next class. Okay, still if you want now only, then send that code. Then I will rectify that error. Okay, WhatsApp. Then share screenshot. That's it. Okay, now try yourself
Yes, sir.
only. Okay, yeah. Okay, now try.
Yes.
Okay, tomorrow same time I will. Okay,
Sir,
same. Yeah. Tell me.
sir, actually, I have a doubt, actually, not
Tell me.
related to reporting, actually related to ABAP Dictionary.
Okay,
So,
tell me.
yes, sir. Sir, I'm having doubt regarding that maintenance view and that SM30. So
Okay.
yesterday actually, what I have done, I have created a custom table ZAM customer sales order.
Okay.
So when I went to SM30 and entered that
Table name.
table name, and I
Okay.
click on maintain, then it is
Hmm.
showing table or view is not in the dictionary. Then again I went to maintenance view that I created and click on maintain. I'm able to maintain those details in the Mara table. So I didn't understand why it is not, as the table is there in the dictionary, but still it is showing the table or view is not in the dictionary.
Okay. It won't display like that. If it is here, any customer table only two options. Okay. One is okay. First is it is active or not. You have to check it. Okay, if it is active, compulsory it should come. Even if you maintain okay some different actions also with allowed also it will allow, with allowed also it will allow in maintenance view. 2 points. Then second point here, anything you can maintain, no issue, no problem. Technical settings, once again you can check it. Any data value size category maintained or not. Data class. Okay, that's it. The remaining okay, if it is properly maintained with the activation, yeah, activation it will work. Okay, it will work compulsory. Still, if you
So
have doubt, share
even
your
I checked
screen next.
even I checked with Mara table also.
Okay, not
Then
coming.
also it not coming.
Oh no, maybe it's not like that. Compulsory should come that view. See, I have shown, no, I have shown a different way. Okay, view name Z19.
Yeah, in Mara it is showing the maintenance dialog for Mara is
Hmm.
incomplete or not defined.
Did you check that table name Mara is there in the database?
Yes, sir.
Tables, all tables are there.
Mara table, na, there is a
Mara
standard
table,
table.
standard table, correct. The tables are there in database. Which
Just, just a minute, sir.
yeah, yeah. Okay, if you want, you can share screen. Okay, you can share screen. I will check. Okay, Satish, if you have work,
Actually,
you can leave. Satish, Subhash, you also. If you want to see that, no problem. Okay.